Now pack for a business trip with TUMI Alpha's luxury luggage range. If you are a jet setter, if you travel a lot for business, if you've been wanting to upgrade your simple carry-on luggage with a luxury piece, then this video is for you. And if you want that your carry-on luggage should bring you more power than just carrying a couple of essentials, then this video is for you. Keep watching. Hello and welcome back to my channel, Jazzy Joe. If you are new here, consider subscribing, and if you are already subscribed to me or if you have seen some of my videos, I want to thank you and give you a really hearty thanks, because that really motivates me and pushes me to produce even better content. And just because of that, I have really upgraded everything. I've upgraded my camera, my lens, some equipment around, so you will see that the next videos will be even higher quality and will sound better and so on. So without any further ado, let's get into the topic of the day. Today's topic is to talk about this TUMI Alpha 3 luggage piece, which is really a great luxury carry-on luggage piece, and I have been carrying this few months now. This carry-on luggage has seen approximately 20 to 25 flights already with me, and that's when I decided that okay, I'm gonna give you a review. I'm gonna tell you what are the pros and cons of this bag, or what are the features, and let's discuss it all in detail. Every major international airport is flashing TUMI Alpha luggage pieces and accessories. TUMI is gaining a lot of popularity lately, and the reason is because really their products are so good. They have innovative design, functionality, practicality, comfort, style. Of course, it's luxury, so you name it and they have it, and that's the reason it's really in these days. A quick background about TUMI, and then we get straight to the point. I'll tell you about 5 reasons. That was 10. About 5 reasons why I've chosen this bag, why I take it to travel every time, and what are the pros and cons. Samsonite is the world's largest luggage company. Samsonite is every man's travel brand, obviously, because they have great luggage pieces. But in 2016, Samsonite acquired TUMI, adding to its bouquet a full ultra-luxe line of luxury luggage. Yes, it is the Samsonite's luxury line that we know as TUMI. Now, let's talk about the bag. I have bought a TUMI Alpha 3 International Expandable 4 wheels carry-on luggage. Oh, I said it in one go. Great. The reason number 1 is style. I wanted an upgrade from my normal carry-on luggage to a luxury piece, or a good, robust, stylish piece. And then I searched a lot. I really searched a lot for a bag which has 2 style requirements. First of all, it should look good, and second, it should have a separate compartment for keeping my laptop. This bag really has luxe kind of looks, and it's beautiful to look at. Very minimalistic, very business appropriate. I'm going to talk about this in the next point, but it's beautiful. It has got lots of compartments and zips and pockets to make your life easier while you're traveling, and practical, and add more power to you. Actually, literally, because it also has possibility to charge your cell phone when you're on the go. It has possibility to have a power bank. I didn't get that. I don't require that, but if you want, it could be an option. You can get it hot stamped with your initials on it. It's got a luxury leather luggage tag, and it's got telescopic handles to carry it. The whole sleek design, it's very beautiful to look at, very elegant, exactly what I wanted. The reason number 2 is business appropriateness. I have been long time looking for a bag which can carry my laptop and have enough space inside to keep some essentials and at least pack 3 days of luggage. And this bag really can do that. Actually, I'm gonna do a video about how I pack for at least 3 days of business travel in this very TUMI Alpha bag, TUMI Alpha 3 bag. Once this video is ready, I will put the link in the description so that you can have a look at that. Along the same lines of business appropriateness, I have seen a lot of bags with jungle prints or messages on it, or I don't know, some city print and whatnot, bright pinks, fluorescent yellows and greens, all sorts of bags. But personally what I believe is the more minimalistic, the less attention grabbing these things are, the more business appropriate it just looks. So this TUMI Alpha 3 bag with its really beautiful design and elegant look would sit on the side of your meeting room if you had to take it ever with you to a meeting room, and would look really nice and would look very business appropriate and wouldn't give out the impressions about you that you do not want to give. And whenever it comes to business, it's always better to appear polished and classy. So when you're in business travel, it's a great idea to take an undertoned but looking bag with you. Reason number 3 is design. I'm a huge fan of design thinking, and TUMI has joined hands with great designers like Anish Kapoor. If you do not know Anish Kapoor, he's the mastermind behind great designs like this and this. This bag is ideal for weekend getaways and short business trips. Jet setters will love it for its comfort and compactness, the spaciousness included. It has a wonderfully sleek shape that is eye-catching in the best way, and zipper expansion allows up to 5 cm of expansion, more space. This bag is designed for the on-the-go traveler. This is designed to be carried rolling. It's so easy to maneuver it. It's got 360-degree swivel wheels. I can sometimes move it with just one finger. It's so smooth and buttery. Really, the feel of this bag is great. Carrying a TUMI Alpha 3, you will realize that you're carrying a great quality product with you. The material of this bag is ultra durable FXT ballistic nylon. It's a patent, so there is this material which is really good and robust. As I told you, I've already taken my bag to minimum 20 to 25 flights, and what you're seeing right now is a bag that has already been used so many times, and it's really looking great, in great condition. There is no damage. It's as good as new. Reason number 5 is this bag is power packed with features. It's got tons of great features. I've already spoken about a couple of features already in the other points, but listing them together in one go will be beneficial for somebody who's looking for some certain specifications. Really, the amount of thoughtful details is going to impress you. Dimension wise, it's 56 into 23 into 40 centimeter. The material is ballistic nylon. The interior features are zip garment compartment, it fits one suit, a hanger bracket, large mesh zip pocket with removable USB cable, 3 zip pockets are there. There are compression straps. I have really never seen this kind of compression straps. I mean, every bag comes with the crisscross or parallel kind of straps to keep the luggage in place, to keep the clothes etc. in place. But this one, this mesh compression strap, it's really great feature of this bag. And let's quickly talk about the exterior features as well. So there's this main zip and an expandable zip, so 2 of the zips run around each other. So there is a front straight zip pocket, retractable top and side grab handles, so they are there for your usage but they don't get in your way. There is a bottom grab handle as well, 3-stage telescoping handle, 4 dual spinner wheels. It's got molded impact resistant side panels, protective bumper rails, built-in USB port, and a built-in TSA combination lock. One more thing, there is something in the bag called TUMI Tracer. You can register, once you buy the bag, you can register online, and then if you ever lost this bag, they have a tracer, they will connect the bag to you. And I've heard a lot of good things about TUMI's customer care. This brings me to pretty much the end of my video, but I want to tell you 2 things that could be important for you to know before you buy this bag or consider buying. First is the price tag. It's a luxury bag, it's a luxe line, so it is expensive. It will cost you around $800 to $1,000 depending on how you buy, where you buy. You can definitely get discounts There are always some of the other stores offering discounts, so do take advantage of that and you will have a great bag in your arsenal. Also, another point is this bag is appropriate for traveling around Europe and Asia for sure, but if you're traveling by a budget airline like Ryanair or EasyJet or something like that, it is possible that this bag is not permissible as cabin luggage. But these are the only two weak points for this bag. Otherwise, if you buy this bag, you will love this bag as I'm loving mine. The TUMI Alpha 3 luggage will make your travel experience really streamlined and will make you look like a travel pro. So this is it for this video, but before I let you go, I want to ask you a question. What is your favorite carry-on bag and why? Or if you have a carry-on bag and you want to change it, why? What is the reason that you would like to change it? I would be looking forward to reading your thoughts and your comments and your experiences. Thanks for watching. Ciao till next time.